Just like my father said, it was founded in the beginning of 2000s, and it is a non-profit organization that supports the culture of India and Estonia, and especially the relations between them. The programs that the Indian Cultural Association has been, for example, supporting young musicians, organizing free yoga classes, organizing concerts. There have been many very successful concerts previously, and also there is a program that supports orphans and giving them financial and non-financial help. So what is the future of the organization? Just like I said before, there are young members now who has the energy and will to promote it and to have new ideas and new events. For example, the new ideas consist of having a library with spiritual books and material for Estonians and for also the Indians who have come here just to lighten their minds. And this is about it. Now we will proceed to our third speaker, and I would like to ask to come here our charming Mr. Theo Tripathi.
Honorable His Excellency, Mr. Om Prakash, respected President of our association, I call him King of Dardu, Sultan-e-Hind, and distinguished guest. Everybody has spoken a lot. I don't know what to start and what to say and what to outline. But I would like to speak in Hindi as well as English, so that the Indian people can release Hindi and our other guests can also release in English. आज की शाम माननीय श्री Om Prakash ji के नाम, we dedicate this evening to the His Excellency Mr. Om Prakash, and I have composed one small ghazal in his honor. This afternoon while I was in factory, and I will try to sing it, and in as well Hindi as well as English, so that we can entertain each other. And my inspiration is from Gyaneshwar. Gyaneshwar, the god of knowledge, and he is always inspiring me to contribute in this association in different ways. So I request to listen it. I have tried to write after a long time, because after coming to Estonia I forget everything, all my literary things. And I will request Mr. Chirag, if I am exceeding time, he can interrupt me. सुनिएगा, जस्ट गौर फरमाइए, मैं लैंड योर ईयर्स, आपके नूर की क्या तारीफ करूं, आपके नूर की क्या तारीफ करूं, आप आए तो ये शाम रुमानी हो गई. I want to say that what should I speak of His Highness, that His presence has graced this evening. This evening is so beautiful because you are here. आपके नाम की क्या तारीफ करूं, आपके नाम की क्या तारीफ करूं, आप आए तो हमारी खुशियां सयानी हो गई. You remember that Chirag spoke a lot about Mr. Om Prakash, his qualifications, his contributions, and his eminence. So, same thing I want to say, that I don't have words to speak about him, and I just can say that we are very happy that he is here. आपके काम की क्या तारीफ करूं, आपके काम की क्या तारीफ करूं, आप आए तो आज के दिन दिवाली हो गई. What I should speak about the greatest of the works he has done in different countries, and he has that today when he has come here, we are celebrating Diwali. Now, अंतिम चार पंक्तियों में my last four lines, I am requesting him something and hope he will listen it. आपसे गुजारिश है ऐसे ही आया करिए. I request him that he should often visit us. आपसे गुजारिश है ऐसे ही आया करिए, हमें अपने दिल में ऐसे ही बिठाए रखिए. हमारी ख्वाहिश है सालों साल यहाँ आप रहिए और अपने प्यारे देश भारत का नाम रोशन करिए. I request him that I pray also that he stay here in Estonia and Finland long time and try to build the big bridge between Estonia, Finland and India, because as you said, India is going to be economic power, but this area also is going to be a knowledge power. And as Sachin one day taught me that this area is going to drive the knowledge economy, so it will be very useful for everybody. And then I was also asked that I should try to find out some essence of Diwali, and I was trying to find out, and I found some very relevant things which I was not knowing also before, just today because I was asked to find out. And I think it will be very useful information for our Estonian guests who will be interested to know what is Diwali and how it is spreading so much and how it is getting so much significance in the world. And probably I see that in future what I envision, the Christmas and Diwali is going to be celebrated all over the world, across the board, across the countries, across the religion. And this is, I found in one of my emails, one of my friend wrote from Kenya, Nairobi. Please listen it. I will speak very slowly, but you will find a lot of essence about Diwali. The significance of Diwali cannot be explained in few words, as the charisma of this great festival is so much that you need to feel it from the deepest chords of your heart. We have to connect it, we have to feel it, and then we can enjoy it. No words or Diwali pictures can explain to you the real significance of Diwali in the lives of hundreds and thousands of people residing all over the world who celebrate this festival with much fervor and with enthusiasm. You must have remembered what our Excellency said, that Obama is trying to celebrate Diwali and Rahul is also trying to celebrate Diwali. So Diwali is really a significant thing. It has changed many people's life and it is going to change many people's lives too. It is also known by the names of Deepavali and Festival of Lights. The festival of Diwali is celebrated not only in India but also in other parts of the world like Singapore, Thailand and many more places which celebrate it according to their traditions and customs. The last day of the last month of lunar calendar is reserved for the auspicious day of Diwali. Mainly the celebrations of Diwali go on for 5 days. It is not the one day, but 5 days. And each day holds its own importance and significance, with many legends associated with each day. The 5 days of Diwali celebrations are Dhanteras, Choti Diwali, Diwali,